Hey everybody, welcome to day 3 of our summer sketches. Today we're going to be drawing a seahorse using the letter P and the number 6. So let's get started. We're going to start the letter P, and just below it we're going to draw the number 6. Squeak it marker. Okay, so here we go. Now I'm going to grab my pencil and get to it. You're going to start right up here, come down, and you're going to kind of just come down a little and then out and around. We'll go out a little further. Here we go. And the 6, you're going to swirl it up. I bet you can guess what that is. Right here where they connect, I'm going to come out, make a little triangle. Okay, and I'm going to draw the eye. And then at the end of the P, we're going to just come out, like a little snout. So adorable already. Seahorses are one of my favorite creatures. Okay, look at how cute. Let's outline it. Oh my goodness, so adorable. Let me erase a couple of these marks here. I have been loving seeing all of your guys' drawings, so please continue to share with me. I just love that everybody is having a good time drawing. By the end of the month, if you keep on drawing, you guys are going to surprise yourselves because you're going to be so much better. I want to know what color you guys are going to make your seahorses too. Maybe polka dotted. Let's do something fun with this. How simple was that? I mean, it just doesn't get much easier than this. Oh, I hope you guys try it at home. Make sure you join us tomorrow for day 4 because we have a special request and I'm so excited.